Hi, this is Lizzy, and this is Lexi, and Jenny. She's not here right now, but you see that she sometimes goes with Jenny, and I sometimes go with Jenny. And tomorrow's Valentine's Day. Yay.
I painted my nails red.
Yeah, but I didn't because I don't really, I don't like the color red because it's like bright. Anyway, yeah. Jenny and I are cousins, and she is a very close best friend, but she lives in Maryland, and we live in Virginia. And we meet at church.
Yeah. Okay, so today we're gonna have a burping competition. I know it sounds disgusting and random, but yeah, we were bored. So.
Yeah. And we always do the random show, so I mean, come on.
Okay, so first Elizabeth is gonna drink
7-Up.
7-Up.
Yeah.
Crisp and clean. Wait. This webcam's messed up. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
She's drinking for 8 seconds?
10.
Okay, yeah,
Okay,
10. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't burp. Wait. This is right. You should see me after some. And like 3 minutes later, I burped. That was weird.
Wait. I'm not done. That's not it. I mean, come on. 10 seconds. Come on. Where's my guess?
Well, this is a weird watch thing. Look at the videos.
I'm sorry. My burp is not coming out. It's her turn.
Yeah,
Actually, I'm going to try it one more time.
No, that's not fair. Wait, ready?
Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7. Whoa, that was loud. Okay.